Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to set parental control settings on your Nintendo Switch console. Go to settings, under setting, right, come to parental controls. Then you can see this parental control settings, tap on it. I have the app installed. What's next? So I don't have a smart device. So if you want, you can download it, but as of now I don't have a smart device like that. So just pressing this X. I don't have a smart device. You can continue setup without using a smart device, but you will not be able to use these features. Playtime limit, bedtime alarm, play activity. Click on next. So here the restrictions level, you can change it. So I'm going to make a child or even custom settings. Restriction software rated age 3+. You can choose your country as well. And everything is fine. Restricting purchases in Nintendo eShop. So that also have been done. So cool. Click on next. You need to set the pin. Up to 8 digits you can set it. Give OK. So it's changed. You need to hold the plus button to change the keyboard. So again confirm my pin. Setup is complete. That's it. Now parental control is enabled. Your pin is on home screen. There is a parental control button. You can turn it off if you want to temporarily disable it. So you need to provide that. Okay. Parental controls have been temporarily disabled. Super cool, right? So again I'm going OK. If you want to turn it on, again you need to tap it. Parental controls restrictions have been re-enabled. That's it. This is the way you can enable parental controls on your Nintendo Switch console. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.